This video will guide you on how to register for EI+. Click Register at the bottom of your screen to begin. You will need to enter either your account number or debit or credit card number. Please enter your date of birth in day, month, year format and click Next to proceed. Please read our terms and conditions carefully so you are aware of what you are sliding to confirm. You will be sent an email to your registered email address with a verification link. Please go to your inbox of the same email address and open the online banking email sent from Emirates Islamic. Please always check the email address of the sender to ensure it is sent from our official domain. Click the Verify Your Email link in order to initiate the success message. Please return to the EI+ app in order to continue your registration. Once back in the EI+ app, you can click Next to move to the phone number verification step. Enter the OTP you will receive by text message. Your mobile number is now verified. The next step is to set up your password. Click the Set Password field to do this. Your password must include both lowercase and uppercase letters. It must also include numbers and special characters. It has to be 8 characters or more. Retype the password in the second field to confirm it is accurate. Click Done on the keypad and then Next to finish creating your password. At this stage, there is a toggle button to turn off the Touch or Face ID login function. Once you decide, the next step is to create your new SmartPass PIN. Type your new PIN into the keypad. Type the same PIN twice to confirm it. Once you click Next, you should be greeted with a success message to confirm you have completed your EI+ registration. Notice that your username will be mentioned in the middle of the screen. Please take note of this, as it may not be the same as your previous username. By clicking Login, you can go straight to the dashboard of your EI+ account. You can choose to allow EI+ to have permission to send you notifications. You should receive an SMS confirming SmartPass activation. This guide will show you the location and function of each icon on your dashboard. The Quick Action shortcuts are your most used services. Once you know how to navigate your dashboard, you will be given an option to personalize what is displayed and choose the layout. Choosing your preferences will complete the profile setup. Once completed, you may notice a banner recommending you to make your device trusted. This is required to remove restrictions on your EI+ online banking. You will need to accept the terms and conditions as well as have your physical documents ready, be it your Emirates ID or passport for non-residents. The application will need permissions to your camera in order to scan your documents. Please ensure there is enough light and the picture is clear, as EI+ will need to be able to read the information on the document and verify it with our records. Once your information is captured and the necessary checks are completed, your documents will be verified. Then you will be taken to the next stage, where you must take a selfie of your face to be cross-checked with the uploaded documents. By clicking Continue, your camera will display a circle for you to capture a scan of your face. Make sure there is sufficient lighting and no objects in the way of your face. You will be asked to enter your SmartPass PIN as a layer of security for the validation. It may take some time to complete the necessary validation checks. Rest assured, security is our priority. Once your request is processed, you will move to the screen noting it is under progress. Please ensure to keep the app open until you see the success message. This device is now your trusted device for all your EI+ online banking services. If you were unable to complete this journey due to any technical errors, it is likely due to your document details not matching your records with the bank. We wish you swift and secure banking on EI+.